Why does the Haas VF-2 continue to be industry's best-selling small vertical? Maybe it's because of the breadth of its capability. Need a high-performance, well-equipped machine to get your business rolling? Pick the VF-2. The powerful 8100 RPM inline drive spindle gets plenty of work done across the 30 by 16 by 20 travels. And even the basic VF-2 moves fast with 1,000 inch per minute rapids and 650 inch per minute cutting speeds. Add in the 20 pocket tool changer and 55-gallon coolant tank, and you've got a first machine in your shop productivity solution that will make you money and pave the way to success. And if you need an extra option or two to make your VF-2 just right for your application, then we surely have what you need. How about if you're more established and need a fast, reliable workhorse to raise production output? Then pick the VF-2 SS. Higher spindle speeds, faster rapids, and fast tool changes are a proven path in this direction, and 12,000 RPM, 1,400 inches per minute, and 2.4 seconds chip to chip should fit the bill. Need a 15K HSK spindle or high capacity 50 or 70 pocket tool changer? How about 5-axis work on one side of the table using a TRT 210 rotary? No problem. If you need those capabilities to make your parts, we've got you covered. Or maybe you're pulling out all the stops with automation and 5-axis capability with our small VF in the middle. If that's the case, pick the VF-2 SS YT. The additional Y-axis travel gives you the access you need for rotaries and pneumatic work holding. And to tackle the automation side of things, let's put the HRP1 7-kilogram robot package in front of the machine so we can keep the parts flowing in and out non-stop. The Haas way brings plug-and-play automation that takes the robot integrator out of the equation and gives you everything you need to get your automated cell up and running right away. On the other hand, if automation that revolves around palletized work holding is what your process calls for, we have the solution for that as well. Our newest pallet pool is designed to interface with our most popular VMC. That's right, a pallet pool for the VF-2. And whether you're doing high volume or high mix lower volume, this 3-station pallet changer offers lights out production capability with the ease of use that comes from scheduling all automatic operation right from your Haas control. In each of these cases, the machine at the center of it all is our dependable VF-2, the Haas VMC that will fit your requirements in so many situations, that brings unbeatable value whether you're just starting out or deep into large-scale production.